Flamingo Finance just flipped the script on its tokenomics, and it's not just another update. We're talking deflation, revenue sharing, and a tighter link to the NEO blockchain. If you're holding $FLM or eyeing DFE on NEO, this is 5 minutes you don't want to miss. So here is the deal. Flamingo's original model was inflationary. Users got rewarded with freshly minted $FLM for providing liquidity. But now, we've got Flocks. This new token changes everything. When Flocks is minted, $1 is burned every single time. That means less $FLM in circulation with each new Flocks. To date, 109 million FLM tokens have been burned. That's more than a year's worth of emissions gone. Just like that. This isn't just symbolic, it's math. FLM's total cap dropped from 1 billion to 700 million. And supply going forward is simple, minting minus burning. Plus, Flamingo is launching buybacks. Yep, they're using platform revenue to buy FLM off the market and burn it. That's direct deflationary pressure, backed by revenue. Let's talk utility. Holding Flocks isn't just about burning FLM. It actually earns you yield, real assets, not just promises. We're talking $FLM, $BNEO, $gas, $FUSD, and wrapped tokens like FUSDT, FWBTC, and FBNB. It's essentially a revenue-sharing layer built into the NEO-based ecosystem. And yes, it's all native, on-chain, transparent, and smart contract governed. Back in 2020, FLM's inflation was wild, 100% monthly. Now, it's down to 68% as of April 2025. By January 2026, it'll be 32%, and it keeps declining until 2035. After that, it levels off at just 46% annually. That's a far cry from the early days. And it means Flamingo is aligning long-term incentives with actual economic sustainability. So what does this all mean? Flamingo is evolving, deflation, revenue sharing, and a tokenomics model that finally rewards patience and participation. And with the power of the NEO blockchain behind it, this could be one of the most undervalued DFE plays right now. If you found this breakdown useful, hit like, subscribe, and drop your FLM Flocks questions in the comments. I'll catch you in the next one.